This is a little experiment that will elucidate what happens when you take or take a copy of an object in Second Life. I have a folder, underline test, and I have an object cube X in it. Just pull the object out. Now, if I take this object, it goes back to the folder that it came from. However, it is a copy because this is a cube that I have copy permissions on. So I'm going to delete that cube, drag it out again, and now I'm going to take a copy. This, it went into my objects folder. So we'll delete that. So whenever you take a copy, it goes into the objects folder, and if you take, it goes back to the folder that you originally drug the object from, that you removed it. Now I'm going to go into edit mode. Let's drag out the menu, and I'm going to create another cube. I clicked on the original cube second, so I'll do that again. Here's the first cube. I'm holding down the shift key. Excuse me. This is the cube right here. I'm clicked on that. That's the cube that was just made. And now I'm clicking on the one that I drug out of the test folder, second or last, and I linked. So now this is, we'll call this with child, as a child prim. Now then, let's take a copy. That goes where we expect because it's take copy. It'll just always return to the objects folder. So we'll delete that. But what happens when we take it? So we click take, it goes back to the test folder. So let's drag the cube X out again. I'm going to create another cube, and let's call this another cube. So we click on cube X first, hold down the shift key, click on our another cube, link. So now another cube is the root prim. If we take copy, as expected, it goes into the objects folder. We're going to delete that. Now what happens when we take this object? It also goes into the objects folder. So whenever you take a copy or change the root prim on an object, take will send it to the objects folder. So if you do not change the root prim and use take, it will always return to the folder from which you originally grabbed it. Okay, hope this was useful.